Today's the day.
The day of the move.
How you feel?
I feel really tired right now, but
Yeah.
I'm not upset that we're leaving. Like, it sucks, but it's gonna be neat, and I'm excited to be with my lady.
It's July 5th, so...
We're married now.
Sorry, Mickey.
Have you told them yet?
No. I haven't posted hardly anything on here. Yep, gonna say bye to Indiana. So, that's it. I got to come home for 2 weeks. Grab my mans and then go to Texas. So, we're going to San Antonio.
Hallway for each kid, so we hear everything.
Luke, go to bed.
About ready.
Yeah, I think that's everything. Everything besides the kitchen sink.
We don't have that much stuff. There yet?
Here we go. This is the start to our new life. Hopefully,
We don't
this guy
wreck my
will let us.
How'd it go?
It went.
We're watching Catfish.
Alright, we're back on the road. Did you already tell them about the fire? No?
I don't think so.
So, we stopped at a rest area yesterday and...
Like an hour and a half from home.
Yeah, not very far in. And checked the straps on my car up there on the trailer. Well, I wanted to check the lug nuts or lug bolts on Jensen's car, and we noticed that one of the tires was wearing really bad and it was showing wire. So somehow her alignment got messed up at some point in time. We had to get a tire this morning. Luckily we were able to call ahead. We made it like another 2 hours down the road and got another tire put on this morning, and we're back on the road. I think they underinflated the brand new tire because the car is pulling to the left a lot.
Really bad, like the worst it's ever pulled.
Yeah, and I think it's just because the tire is low, so the whole car is leaning like the other way.
Next time we go to a gas station, I'll air it.
Yeah, we need to put some air in it. We're not having an amazing start to the trip, but we're still on the road. Nobody's hurt.
I think we're
going.
Try. So we're in southern Illinois right now. We got only like 3 hours under our belt.
That's about 4.
It's fine. It's not a big deal. We've got time. But I'm hoping we can make it to Dallas tonight. It's about 9 hours. If not, we'll find somewhere else. Yeah, Texas is freaking huge. So just from like the tip of Texas to where we're actually going is like 8 hours. I'm pretty sure.
But Dallas is only like 4 away from San Antonio, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so hopefully we can do that, but we'll keep you guys updated about what's going on.
Yeah.
mansions, and they have gates and like pointy fences all the way around them. But yeah, so we're just driving along. We'll see you soon.
No, I'm not. Stop. I can't do this. There cannot be a parental advisory on my vlog.
Okay.
What if I'm just a silly person?
Yeah, I know you are. I'm a silly person.
I thought you were grading. I'm not.
I thought you were my wife.
Oh.
Nah, you can't say you're not that.
Aww, you married this weirdo.
You married this weirdo.
I know.
But I look good on camera right now.
Yeah, look.
Oh, you missed me. Oh yeah, that hair is looking nice. Everybody, I'm him.
Okay, we woke up right outside Dallas, and we have about 4 hours left. We can't get the keys to our place until 4 p.m. today, which means we're gonna have a little bit of time to kill, so we're going to stop in Waco and go to the Magnolia Farms. I'm so excited. This hotel is kind of cool. It's really big. It's a Hampton. It's like Texas style. Check out the nice pool. There's a freaking convention center next door that looks like the Alamo. I don't know if this window is tinted or if it's actually like yellow outside. This is neat, right?
Magnolia Farm? Is that what it's called?
Yeah, bro. Hell, mother freaking yeah to capitalism. They're making so much money, and I'm here for it. You know,
this is a really neat place.
We're in Austin. I think around an hour, probably a little over an hour left. I don't know, we'll see. This traffic is not good. It sucks.
It looks like rush hour, but it's only 3 o'clock.
Yeah. But
3:30. It's a Tuesday? Wednesday.
I'm starting to get anxious about our apartment and everything though. Like, I'm excited.
I'm very excited. I've been excited.
It just hasn't really set in with me because I had so much other things to do. Like,
This is a special donation.
oh. So, we're about a minute away. Kind of anxious. You know, we reserved this. I've already paid the first month of rent without even seeing it. It's a decent price. It's really not that expensive, so I'm kind of nervous. And this is a town, obviously, we've never been to. You're gonna turn right into my core. We kind of lost his parents, so we're. I mean, we kind of see him, but yeah.
It's literally all the same places that people have.
Yeah, we're
Like
good.
literally all right here.
Traffic is nuts, though.
We literally showed up at rush hour.
But we're good. Made it. Car is successfully here. Both of our cars survived.
Here we go.
We already kind of saw it. What the heck? Yeah, it's very interesting. Oh, we have a dishwasher. Maybe that's what she said. Yeah. It's really humid in here.
So I'm putting it in wide angle so you can see because it's kind of close. Got a decent little closet. Bathroom.
Quick break from the apartment stress to actually see the town that we moved to, and it's really neat. We'll figure it out, right?
Hey, look at those duckies.
Hungry. Can I pet that dog?
Look at all those chickens.
Are you ready
Yes.
to be westernized?
Yes.
We had no idea that they had these here. There you go.
Here's the wrapper. I gotta put some ketchup on it first. Oh. Gotta do this proper. Can't get a proper reaction without some ketchup.
A booger with no ketchup.
Yeah. So AJ said we gotta try Whataburger
Yeah, it's really
too.
good.
I think I've had Whataburger, but he was like,
They have it in Florida.
I think he said somebody said that Whataburger is better than In-N-Out, and I was like, well, I haven't had both. Tastes like a cheeseburger. It's good. I mean,
Okay, so we got a different apartment. This is like fast forward a week because life's been insane. But we got a different apartment because the one that we originally got was just not okay. It just wasn't up to par, and it wasn't like the pictures on the website. So we got a different one, and it's pretty nice. This is our view. Some little pool action. Came with this weirdo. He won't leave. So, but okay. We're not completely done furnishing it, but we've got our little front door when you walk in. Living room is to the left. Dining room will be here. I think the living room's done. Dining room here. We're gonna get some sort of table and chairs. And then we've got our skateboards hanging up. The kitchen's pretty good. Floor's new. The carpet's brand new. All the appliances are brand new. But yeah, it's just this cute little apartment, perfect size. Got everything nicely organized. We found this table by the dumpster and we cleaned it up and repainted it. So it was free. And then we got this little entertainment center from Big Lots for pretty decent. So, and then in our bedroom, pretty simple. Got my record player, pictures, another good view. Closet's pretty spacious. We did okay there. Bathroom looks all right, I guess. And then our little shower curtain, and I got a mirror. But yeah, I would not suggest reserving an apartment without looking at it. I didn't really have a choice because I had to move. I didn't have time to come down here and take work off and, you know, look at apartments. So, but it worked out no matter what. And I'm really happy just to be here. So, peace out.